What's going on, guys? In this video of Should I Invest, we're going to talk about Tesla again. This time, since new earnings has come out, we're going to take a look at the new numbers and see if this is still something we want to hold for the long term. Let's go ahead and dive right in. We have our handy dandy Excel sheet that's going to help us make a deciding factor, and we have our Yahoo Finance to go over some of the financials that they just reported and see what's going on. We also have our amazing marketsmith tool that's going to give us all the nitty-gritty information to help us make that decision if this is going to be a company we want to invest in. And yeah, so with all that said, before I get into it, go ahead, smash that like button, subscribe, comment down below what stock you want me to look at next, and let's get right into it. All right, first we have Tesla. So let's go ahead and plug in Tesla right here on our list. Let's see, we did it before, so let's take a look at where it was. All right, it's right there. All right, perfect. So what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to highlight this just so I can compare it to the new one that we're doing. All right, so Tesla, here we go, an EPS of 3.4, 48.6. Let's take a look at this. All right, perfect. And the return on equity, let's go ahead and look at the return on equity here. 38% return on equity. All right, so we can see the number here has increased from the last time. Last time it was 29, and now we're showing 338. All right, so that right there is a plus. Now let's go and look at the total debt. All right, so we're gonna come here, Yahoo Finance. We got Tesla up here. We're gonna go to balance sheet, and we're gonna look at total debt. All right, so we're gonna come down here, total debt. Right there. All right, that's the total debt we got. We're going to plug it in right here. Oops. All right, total debt. Perfect. And then total assets. We got that right up here. Let's go ahead and plug that in. All right, so 2.26. You can see the number has increased here as well. All right, now let's go look at current debt. All right, so current debt, we're looking at right here. 26.7, we're going to plug that in, and then we're going to look at current assets, which is right here. So that's total asset. Let's go up current assets. Perfect. Let's plug that in here. All right, 1.53. That's also increased from the last time we looked at this. All right, so let's move over a little bit here. Now what do we need? We need the operating income. So to do that, we're going to hop over to the income statement. We're going to look at operating income. All right, operating income is 13.8. So we're going to plug that right here, and then we're going to look at total revenue. That's right there. We're going to plug that in here. All right, so you can see it's increased a little bit, right, from 12.5 to 13.8, and from 74 to 81. Still about 17%. It does balance. All right, now let's look at the cash flow. All right, let's see what happened here. So 960, 2.7, 3.4, 7.5. So cash flow is also increasing here, guys. All right, cash flow is also increasing. Now let's look at owned by management. Let's see what happened here. Let's go over here, owned by management. It's dropped to 21%, right, from the 25 that it was before, 21%. All right, now let's go look at fund ownership. Are they increasing or decreasing? So we're going to look at here on marketsmith, and we're going to see if these funds are increasing or decreasing. So September 22, we had 394, 389. So funds are a little bit decreasing here. All right, you can see from September 2022, we had 3942, 3892, and 3827. So slight decrease, but that's still going to give us the pass. That's still going to give us the pass. So here we go again. Tesla, first time around, we had a pass. Management has decreased their position size a little bit. And, fund ownership has also decreased from last time, right? However, we still got that pass. So something to note. Now let's take a look at what happened to the stock since the report came out. All right, so let's go ahead. So you can see the report came out here. It dropped quite a bit. It's currently sitting at around 165, and it was around 180 when the report came out. All right, there's a nice decent support here. So what's the game plan here? Obviously we saw the numbers. It's still looking okay. Just sometimes when stock drops is because the expectation before was too high, and when the expectations aren't met, that's why you get those yanks in the stock price. So with that said, you know, what is my game plan with this? Obviously, I own this on the long term. I think I'm looking for around that 150 number to add, and then possibly if we get it back down towards this 120, 100 level, I will definitely start adding to that position as well. Obviously, nothing has really changed here in the financials. If anything, it's gotten slightly better. Nothing drastic, but slightly better, with the exception of management getting rid of their positions. All right, so hopefully you guys did enjoy that video. If you did, go ahead, smash that like button, subscribe, comment down below the next video or the next stock you want me to focus on, and we will do just that. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.